Friday, September 11th, 2015. And this, now another Ogbonge edition of As E Dey Hot on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV on Top Star Times, channel 195. My name na Ezugo Chukwudi. As usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as it concern any political matter.
Yes, and good morning, our viewers who don't carry the Asekpo level come before now. Yes, we'll go review waiting and waiting. We'll talk about this week and also do it in sum them up with maybe another interesting story because I know say we'll get one for now today. And we'll also open our phone line for now to also do it for now to also contribute for this matter because it is very, very important for now to be a part of this program because the reason why we get this program in the first place is because of owner. My name never still change. My name is Unkubi. And this now As E Dey Hot.
We no go waste time. Quickly, we go just do the review of many of the Ogbonge action wey happen for Nigeria for this week. We know say we dey do the 100-day special of Oga Presido. The concept of 100 days na the one wey be say many people take seriously because they talk say the way when Friday dey, na people they know how Saturday go be. And from the body language of our Oga Presido, now we go fit deduce, I go speak English, deduce how the next 4 years go dey. But before we start, we go like mention, say, we get Ogbonge visitor, but we no go let the cat out of the bag. Yeah. Make I quickly do what we discuss on Monday. Monday make am 101 days. The first day after Oga Presido, first 100 days. And we throw our phone lines open sharp, make people call, talk their mind, and talk am the way when the team beat them for body. A lot of the calls when we get, if we weigh am, it shows say plenty people believe say Oga Presido they try and they know say if he do more and we give him the support, he go move this our country go forward. But some other people come they call they talk say we go still dey watch am because it is not yet Uhuru. Now, as we take discuss on Monday, be that.
Yes, and on Tuesday, yes, we can't get one of Ogbonge guests for the studio. And who they talk about? Cheta Nwanze. Cheta Nwanze, now the researcher, SBM Intelligence. Now, be the Ogbonge guests who will get on Tuesday. And then still on the 100 days of Oga Mohamed Buhari, we can't carry the matter, enter different level, onto the kind of person we be, onto the kind of different articles where they write to also mark the 100 days this thing, celebration. Cheta Nwanze talk in own mind. He talk about the honorables, that is the House of Rep, the Senate. Say, look, Senate them be key people who supposed to do it. Suppose they ensure, say, at least the government and things where they happen for government, they effective. He can also talk, say, say they don't put Oga Mohamed Buhari for power. Make you also try. Say, people come out and mass, come vote for her. Make you also try do it and not fail the people. And so those things where you promise say you go do for the people, make they begin to see the results. Now, what we'll talk about on Tuesday with that.
They say Pikin when like food before he wash hand, he go down they ask how the team be. Unkubi Cheta Nwanze na Wednesday he come, but
now Wednesday come.
We go reverse, do Tuesday, come jump enter Thursday. On Tuesday we get Madam Yemi Adamolekun, and she talk about the government of Oga Presido Muhammadu Buhari as he take be for woman eyes. She talk say somehow if you check am, he be like say from the body language of Oga Presido, he no today romantic like that. But say they believe say he go still do plenty things for Nigerian women. On Thursday, that's yesterday when passed, so we get Honorable Babajimi Benson when they represent Ikorodu Federal Constituency. Based on say many people carry the blame of say government no dey work put for the hand of our National Assembly, he come answer plenty questions. And he talk well, and from the information when he give, we learn a lot of things. Say the National Assembly no be just 360 and 109. Plenty people they involved. As Nigerians, make we they call people when they represent us to order so that they go do wetin we want, make they do so that our country go they move forward. Today, when be Friday, we go discuss all of these issues. But before we begin to discuss all of these issues, we go introduce our Ogbonge visitor. We they call her the First Lady of As E Dey Hot. That now because of the passion when they use, they carry, they discuss Nigeria politics. And she's I go speak English. She's a very good example of a Nigerian that is concerned about Nigeria. If you not just hear her voice, you go look say, this now a woman when we say like politics, but she they do plenty grand work when we say she they use they empower people for inside this our society. I go speak for English. I know we talk about PG. My body no go agree. I am speaking of no other than the First Lady of As E Dey Hot, Madam Queen Ebigheson. I hope I get the pronunciation well.
Oh, yes, Ebigheson.
Ebigheson.
Well, you try.
Madam Queen Ebigheson.
Welcome.
Thank you.
At least people could not hear your voice say, Madam, who be this Madam Queen? Who be this Madam Queen? Who be this first lady of Aside Hot? Finally, now she sit down before now, and I don't say I'm in person. And I go also know say, yes, when it comes to politics, this woman is very, very strong.
And this one, Atosho say, if you are interested about the Nigerian political terrain and you want to talk on top of Aside Hot, because we don't talk say this program now program by the people, of the people and for the people, we go carry you come, you self go sit down here, feel the heat and discuss them. Madam Queen, once again, welcome to Aside Hot.
Thank you.
We dey get one tradition, you go don't notice them. We dey shake hand before we start because we know they know whether person a fine woman or whether a big man. When we start to talk the thing, we dey talk am the way the thing be.
No problem.
So we go shake hand. Welcome to Aside Hot.
We act like gentlemen, shake hands so that make it not be so once the argument starts, and you go say, oh, so now carry me for mine before now even invite me.
Exactly.
That kind of thing.
Before we come dey review all the things wey happen for this week, it gets one particular news item when we say it dey carry first for all the news now. Organized Labour, the Trade Union Congress and the Nigeria Labour Congress for different parts of Nigeria yesterday, then stage wetin dem call anti-corruption rally. Dem come talk say Nigerians don suffer too much and dem support say make Oga President Muhammadu Buhari carry torchlight look all the whole roundabout and corner wey dey inside Nigerian government and all the people wey no chop our money make him bring am out. Dem come add one thing, dem talk say dem support capital punishment. Wetin be capital punishment? Dem talk say person wey chop money wey belong to you and me and all of us, say make dem kpai that person. Plenty people come talk say this one e be like say e too much o. Say instead of make dem kpai the person, make dem collect everything so that shame go carry the person, and if dem fit give the person maybe life imprisonment or 25 years so that when him go dey think about am, because if you kpai this person, him family go still dey spend the money, e go be like say him just do sacrifice for them go. Wetin you think of this matter?
I go agree with the people wey talk say make we no kill the person. Because I mean corruption na bad thing, but at the end of the day na stealing. Thief na thief. I believe say to kill person na person wey commit first degree murder than they kill.
That is wey kill person.
But for corruption, wetin dem suppose do is either dem give the person like 30 years in prison.
30 o, you even add 5 join am.
Or even 50. Because you see, if dem lock you for one place for one day, the kind craze wey go dey catch you for where you dey, you go dey wonder say wetin happen. If you dey your house where you know say you get liberty to comot as you like, you fit no wan comot, you no go bother you, but make dem just go lock you. Now you go know wetin dey happen. So e better make person wey thief money feel the pain. Make dem lock am, make himself, disgrace him name. Say make dem kill am na very minor punishment.
E don go be that.
E don go be that.
Queen, make we even look am. We don see people wey be say they don go prison. E be like say them and prison don become 5 and 6. They don't know all the corners of prison. If they like, make them spend even 10 years, 20 years, come out from am. They go still do one thing, we go still carry them go back there. On this same matter, and you get some countries say we say, well, we know, say yes, so capital punishment. Once they don't put them down, say people they learn lesson. They no go that fear of capital punishment, go do it. Hey, if not to steal government money, if not to steal, I no go put hand there. You go make them withdraw because prison. Now as long as you go sit there, like, and for you guys, people will say even for that same prison, if they give them one kind of first class treatment, say okay, you be oga, we will give you treatment. You just say they no go even know that prison they did.
Uncle B, I go answer you like this. You see, people where they go prison for Nigeria, I go talk am as e dey. Now poor people. I never really see rich person where commit fraud, where they carry go prison. Small time we go just say they give am bail. You pay 100 million, 300 million, you comot. If they put am for law now, say you thief even if na 10 naira, you go 30 years in prison. And we go make sure say, say when we want pursue corruption come up for Nigeria. If we don't feel pursue corruption come up for Nigeria now, even those judges and everybody where they give them, say where they can't pay bail, they not go give them those kind of things again. So if they don't give them, then they prison themselves know say the money where they thief, they know if they can pay themselves. People go take that one learn lesson.
Madam Queen, you sabi book.
Madam Queen, this one you
talk
about.
Even from when I see you first, I don't know say you sabi book, and the way you take answer
no,
this
no. On the ground say you be prophet. You prophet say you don't. You know even hear and talk. We know say they hear and talk from they talk to us from her house to us here. But that's not enough reason. Say
let me finish my statement. Don't take talk out of my mouth, please, Madam Queen. Where you carry this angle come from? My mind happy. Now make we check wetin Labour they ask for. Then talk say if we get government when don ready down say we wan fight corruption, that one na one of the biggest step. Then number two, if we get government wey no go dey chook eye inside this matter, because na phone call for Nigeria, you understand, one phone call they go say that man please cool down on him. But if we get government wey decide say see the way we wan do am, if you send person go prison for 35 years or 25 years, collect all the thing wey don chop, this one na something wey belong to all of us, whether we like am or not. Corruption in the end dey result in very big problems. Say our children no dey go school or no dey get the best of education, na corruption cause am. Even this Boko Haram when dey happen for this country, corruption cause am. Because people wey be say dem suppose take care of our soldiers dem, use money buy weapons, dem no buy. See the thing wey we don dey face today. So if you get president wey talk say okay o, he wan use all him body fight corruption, wetin I think say we suppose to dey do na to dey support am. Me I no believe say capital punishment na the end, because like you talk, if you kill the person, he don go. If you no collect all those things back, in family dem go still dey enjoy.
Some go even want make dem kill them so that the family go dey enjoy the money.
Make we look China for example. The penalty for corruption na death, but dem still dey catch people when we say.
But China as a country, they very strong. They are everything about their economy, everything
people
about their don't they upgrade. If China cough today, America they catch cold where they.
People they corrupt. I mean they know they corrupt.
I want to say. At least their system don't they work well because of transparency, because of say yes, people don't they know the essence of good governance. People don't they come out to say yes, we must make our country better. And now people when they do this thing, at least if you look, they could not say yes.
But people like still they corrupt. I mean they know they corrupt. That capital punishment no be 100% deterrent. Some people know say if I no do am, I go suffer. If I do am, if they catch me, they die. But some people they do am and then they get away with them. Now they make am. See Thailand.
Please.
Not the capital punishment for drug.
What you want to talk about?
2 days ago, they still catch 2 Nigerians.
Singapore say we and then did the same level one time. But now when what me name the late Chikwa you are waiting me name put up all these strong law. Not being strengthened. Not waiting one of the duties will strengthen and reach the level where they did today. At least you go feed the country.
Then tell you say people when they Singapore no corrupt. Everybody when they Singapore.
If you can't them
let us have strong issue. As you don't talk am, if judge no say you catch person when chop money, they say na he buy house 270 million, you can't fix bail for 270 million, he can't dip hand inside the pocket, still pay that money. What do you do? No, let me guess.
Don't point start your hand.
Madam Queen,
your finger
from waiting we don't
point out your finger.
You don't know people when we say that they collect money for back.
Today, not be today, start to join us. I mean, don't they talk with us on this road? Don't they talk to us from house? At least you go know who me and him, who be the sincere person. At least the serious person now.
I make an answer like this because as it dey hot na my program, and 12 na my brother. You dey talk true.
Thank you.
He dey talk true.
But in truth,
wetin we dey try talk now be say since now we don really prepare say we wan fight corruption.
Thank you very much.
Make we put 30 years in prison first. If e no work, we go come talk say okay, make we dey kill them. But at least make we put that 30 years, because if dem die go, na only their family go dey bear the shame.
But they go still need to collect those things from them even before they.
No, when they wan put them for prison, they go collect everything for them.
Even go ahead.
See, like you talk before, you say that they give some people VIP chair for prison. Now person wey still get money for bank wey they bring for, and now they go give VIP chair.
Thank you.
If you collect everything for your hand, you no see money sort people out for prison. They're not gonna give am VIP. Go chop beans wey get stone.
Thank you very much.
Na so it be.
Madam Queen, this one wey you talk now enter.
You don't agree? Say wetin you dey talk dey correct.
No. Now her own na dey take. I know they take your own.
She come from my angle.
Why she go come from your angle? Now her own na dey take.
You are just jealous.
Jealous of what? Go abeg enter the next issue.
Okay, Madam Queen. That one na another story wey we say we go discuss another day. Based on the 100 days wey we dey do now, make we come check now. You now we just carry you come as okay o. Person wey be say Nigerian wey don look am from your own angle. We carry person wey look am from the eye of woman, because everything wey she dey do na about women. And she even bring back our girls for her shoulder. We carry person wey talk say okay, him be professional, him dey deal with statistics. Him own na say okay, make we check how Oga Presido don do, no be just ordinary talk. We carry person wey be say him dey for house, him dey involved in law making for this country. Now we don bring you now. We just the eye wey dey carry look you now okay as Nigerian now. When we say you know where the thing dey pepper for shoe and everything, so. Make you use your own mouth talk am. The first 100 days of this government of President Muhammadu Buhari, wetin you reason the government?
I go comot glass for this one, so that dem go dey look my face well. First 100 days. Well, during the campaign, APC make a lot of promises, and Nigeria na one place wey be say if you don't make promises to them,
then they hold am
tight, and they know they understand say everything gets stage by stage. They want, as immediately Buhari just enter bra, make you begin give them the 5,000.
Now the promise when they promise, now it costs am. Were you not the one who promised it?
Give them the food, the 1 meal a day. We agree say dem go do all those songs, because I believe say President Muhammadu Buhari na sincere man, as everybody take talk am. Me sef go join say na so e be until he prove otherwise. I believe say he go do all these things, but that first 100 days, maybe in dey take am. Make I put am like this. You know say na the first time wey APC go dey federal government be this. Now, whether they like it or not, they hear me, then they learn work. You know if you compare them to people wey don rule us for 16 years, where they hand over to each other, where they teach each other work. You know say as dem dey so, they no go gree make PDP teach them. Because then they another party. So they go got to learn am on their own. Maybe na make am dey take time. But I believe say when they don settle down, sit down, e go better, because if we keep on dey say they no do well, they no go do well, they no go do well, we dey pray prayer be that. If you can't turn out say they no go do well, Nigeria na the only thing wey me get, na you get. So wetin we go just dey do na to say then go do well, oh, then go do well, oh, may God help them. So for me, I go say make Nigeria get patience more. Make we no judge them quick. You understand? Because I believe say everything go see work out fine. Place, yes. You understand? So, but as they judge them, it's still good. Because if they no judge them,
they go there too comfortable.
They go relax. So make them no relax. Make them no say if the people they judge us for first 100 days, the next 100 days, you know, go funny, so they go sit down where. You know, work where they no want do on time, they go start to do. And so it's good as in they judge them, but make them take them easy.
Madam Queen, I'm happy as we carry the office of First Lady of Asili Earth give you. Because the way you dey, I mean, I tell you, Nkubi, after me and I get meeting, say, if we won't give person this position, I know some other names when he mentioned. But me, now me still insist, say, Madam Queen, based on my experience, military background and the rest of them.
When me and you agree this one?
If you won't call my name with respect.
When me and you...
No, they call my name, they bounce. I know they close one eye, give me, because I know they fear you.
Chukudi, it don't bounce again. When me and you talk this one, now me and you collectively agree, say, oh, Madam Queen, I mean, she they represent, she they talk.
Who be the person who table the talk first?
No table, now me, as a matter of fact, I mean table, no, they even call on the claim what you no do. Who no table waiting?
Madam Queen, you know the person when we say, when we talk about Nigerian women, you know they support them.
That is not a criteria, Madam Queen. That is not a criteria.
I go talk this one. The time when I give me this title, I never talk of Nigerian women. So I believe say na two of una join hand.
Thank you very much.
The title, because now some days ago when I talk of women, I watch am. I call that day, call no enter.
Madam Queen, you dey support. I don't know.
I don't tell una say this hot seat. I need to support here. If I no talk in own small, if you give me question where I no go fit answer, I can't disgrace myself on national television. No good now.
Madam Queen, we know say yes. Apart from the fact say you like politics well. And they also represent the women where they talk. We know say you get also your own pet projects where they run. Where we say now also projects where they favor at least somehow. And some of these things now things where we say, oh, suppose they expect make government address, but individuals they say no, make I take them may I take them upon myself to say make I help these people. Tell us about your small this thing.
Before I go talk my foundation. You say I like politics. Well, the reason wey make me begin chook eye for Nigerian politics, I no be card carry member of any party.
Okay.
I'm just an activist. And the fact say I be actress, I be filmmaker, I get a lot of fans who believe in me. So I can't talk say everybody no go just keep quiet, make Nigeria spoil.
Yes.
No matter wetin happen, no matter the small thing where we dey contribute, government go dey hear am as well. Now it make me begin chook eye for where politics dey. You understand? It say concern all of us for Nigeria. Well, for my pet project, Queen Blessing Foundation don't dey on for more than 10 years. But I register am for 2011. You know, at least make government dey aware say I dey do this kind of thing. So, but wetin we dey do mostly na widows and the physically challenged children.
Okay.
So 14th of February every year, we dey do program for widows. The first one we do na Edo State, as per say na my state. You know, we take care of 500 widows that day. Then play music for them, then have fun and all that. The second one where we do na Lagos State, because Lagos too na my state. And we do am for Ikorodu. For that program, we give 200 women wrapper. 6 yard each, and then we give 11 of them 10,000 each, and then we give 6 of them sewing machine. Now, the reason why I decide to look widow side, now because of say, no woman go sit down, make hungry, they beat in Peking. So I believe, say, if we dey empower our women, then they take care of their own children. And then for the physically challenged kids, as an actress, wetin I dey do every 14th of April na my birthday. I dey go any orphanage of my choice with my colleagues, because most of these orphans, they see people where they play with them. We go there, play with them for some hours. Every gift where you suppose give me, you go bring them for those children. Then you go give them. Then me too go there, collect their list, anything where they need. I go buy them for them. They go cut my cake and all that. No matter where I dey, 14th of April every year, I must celebrate with the physically challenged. So, but wetin make me begin do this foundation now because of say, I know how it be, make person not get. You understand? So some Nigerians they look me say she get money. I no get money.
Madam Queen, we go just hold the talk. We get Oga Cyril. They call us all the way from Port Harcourt. I dey sure say one chook mouth for this matter. Oga Cyril, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Cyril.
Chukwudi and Nkubi and Madam Queenie.
Good morning.
I do well as I bring them. At least today we don't see his face. So we greet you well, Madam Queen.
Good morning.
So quickly, we were talking about corruption. We need to ask ourselves, waiting they make people, they do those things where then they do. If we know, understand waiting they motivate them, we know go feel stop them. I will give 4 reasons when, for my mind, they make people wait and they do all those things. 1, say they no want they poor again. 2, say then they thief for their children and their children's children. Now make way person go thief 1 billion, thief 2, thief 3, thief 4. Money where you no go fit spend all in lifetime. They do it because of his children and children. 3, say he want become big man, make them know say he become him be big man. He not be small person anymore. And 4, say the person no get scruples at all. These are the 4 reasons why I see. Say they make people wait and they do all these things where they do. So if we want to do anything, we go stop this thing called corruption. We go look at these things, and that thing we want to do must address these things. If they can no address the root causes, we will see, say, it will be like, say, when they carry water pour for the fowl back. When it's shut, the water don't come out, you don't go touch them for.
Very true. Oga Cyril, thank you very, very much. As you highlight all the problems, can't even provide solution. Oga Cyril not even go the angle of, say, capital punishment or, say, imprisonment. What he just talk now, basically say, if we fit trace the problem to the root cause, we go fit reduce them for our society. Make we collect Oga Igo all the way from Abuja. Oga Igo, good morning and welcome to our City Hot.
Oga Shukudi, I greet you. Good morning.
We greet you, Oga Igo.
The Queen of Azobia, I greet you.
Good morning.
The controversial could be who like woman before. It's when the day where they will after they all start. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
Onto the issue of today about capital punishment. To me, if me, I'm the president of Nigeria, me, na capital punishment, na me I go agree on. Because make the use just one person, I just need only one person set example for stealing money for Nigeria. Say, as he steal money, they take that to death. Other people go take dressing. I don't see how say for Nigeria now to say now hot king we need. We need somebody hot like Buhari. So if they say like the lady say you can't go say you go seize on the phone. Many of them open more than 10, 500 accounts. When you say you cannot monitor all their accounts. If you block this one, they go use this one. Some of their money not there for a bank, some of their money there for their house. So they carry the money from our house, you go no. To me, I support capital punishment to anybody in Nigeria money.
Thank you very, very much. You don't make very important statements. Quickly, we go rush, enter break. When we go, come back, we'll continue our discussion of all the things that happened this week, the news story when they carry first for news now, and also about the First Lady of City Hot, Madam Queen, and the small work when she did do in her own little way to use move our country forward. Will they come back now still as City Hot?
If you know say na just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.